My name is Amoding Jane Grace from Serere District, Adungulu Central. Before I joined in Gudie Leisure Farm, I was selling a drug shop which was mixed animal and crop. Why I chose to join Gudie Leisure Farm? Because I wanted also to acquire knowledge and a skill from there concerning Feedmill. I was in a drug shop and I wanted also to sell feeds for the animals. How I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm? It was through the local leaders from our parishes that announced that they need some girls. The first day when I reported here, I got used to the environment and also I experienced many things from this farm. Like even the food that I've not been eating, I'm now eating. Even the shower, I've not been using that kind of a shower in the bathroom. I've also experienced those changes. I'm in the Feedmill Industry, and what I've learned from Feedmill Industry is that, first of all, we introduce in Feedmill, we introduce the machines, introduction of the machine, the types and how it works. Like we have a thresher for removing hard cones from the maize. Then we have the sorting machine, that one also for sorting the feeds before you take to the grinding machine. And also we have a feed mixer, we have extractor. We learned about the black soldier fly and also the facilities that it should be having when you're rearing that black soldier fly. First, like for example, it should have a receiving unit, treating unit, and also you should also know, first of all, when you want to rear the black soldier fly, what are the things that you're supposed to be having before you set up that farm. For example, you should first of all identify the location or the wind direction, and also you should be having those containers that you'll be using when you're putting those things like a larvae and also the feeds that they used to eat. When you're starting that business of a black soldier fly, what are the challenges that you will face, and also what are the benefits of that black soldier fly? That black soldier fly, it is one of the feeds that we used to give the fish after processing it, because you cannot just give when it's still alive. You first of all get it, you grow from stages to stages. Then when it matures is when you bring now to fry. Then after frying that soldier fly, you also grind it and then you mix, you give the animals to eat. In the Gudie Leisure Farm, what I've learned again from other industries and also from the environment is that I learned how to make necklaces, making sanitary pads, making hillocks, and also making the shopping bags from the wasted product. Then also I learned how to make money purse and many others. When I go back to our place in Serere District, Serere, Adungulu Central, as our parish that I came from, I'll also go and teach them the skills that I've acquired from here to empower them also with that skill and knowledge through only how to make feeds of the animals and also giving them different ideas that I've been getting from here from various industries.